Hi, Finn. Okay, so I got to take a look at this. So we are going to look at the trapezoid area. So this whole trapezoid on the outside, which I'm highlighting in red, minus the area of the two triangles that are white. So minus this blue triangle and also minus the area of this green triangle. So what's left will be that shaded region. So we know for the trapezoid, we know that only this part here is 14. So we have to find out this missing piece at the bottom. And to do that, so we know 14, like if you bring it out to this side, from here to here is 14. And we know that the whole length is 26. And these two pieces that I'm highlighting right now in blue, these two pieces have to be congruent, right? So if you subtract 26 minus 14 and divide that by 2, you're going to get 6 and 6. So that adds up to 26. And then if that's 6, then over on the little blue triangle at the bottom, that's 6. So when you do the area of the trapezoid, you're going to use this whole side here as 20. And then the other side 26 for the two bases. Remember, the two bases are the parallel sides. So we're going to do the area of the trapezoid, which is 1/2 the sum of the bases, base 1 plus base 2 times the height of the trapezoid. So 1/2, the bases are 20, so I'm doing this side 20 and 26, times the height of the trapezoid, which is 15. And that's going to be 46 divided by 2 is 23, and then times 15 is 345. That's the area of the trapezoid. And now we're going to subtract away the green and blue triangle areas. So the little blue triangle is 1/2 times 6 times 15. So that's 3 times 15, that's 45. And the area of the green triangle is 1/2. The base of that green triangle is 26, because it goes from top to bottom, 26. And the height of it, which I'm drawing right now as a red line, that has to be 9, because I know 6 on this side, and 9 plus 6 adds up to the whole 15 on the bottom. So that's going to be times 9. So we're looking at really 13 times 9, which is 117. So if I subtract away 45 and 117 from the 345, that's the area of the shaded region. So 345 minus 45 and minus 117 equals 183, which is the area we were looking for. Okay, sorry about that. I just needed a minute to look at it. All right, have a good week. See you. Bye.